The best pasta pots mostly come with a non-stick cooking space to prevent pasta stick to their sides. Besides, these devices are highly durable to use longer. The pasta pots help you boil and drain the water out easily. You can use them to minimize pasta spill down and protect your hands from getting burned while draining the water. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 blenders on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. LETTY Oval 6 Quart Multi-Pasta Pot. This pasta pot is made of 18/8 stainless steel with an aluminum core. Thus, you can trust its durability and use this device in the long term. Besides, the product allows for fast, even heat distribution. You can use it to make types of pasta, such as spaghetti, penne, and ziti. You can also cook noodles in this product. Though there are key differences between noodles and pasta, it is totally fine to use the same kind of pot to cook them. Plus, it has an elongated oval design to suit your kitchen space. This product features a lockable lid and straining holes that tend to twist and lock. Hence, it can drain out the water from your pot effortlessly. It is equipped with side handles to grip securely and protect your hands when in use. You can enjoy other dishes, such as potatoes, stews, vegetables, and soup simply. Key features: the elongated oval shape, accommodate any shape and size of pasta, come with a lockable straining lid and built-in straining holes, convenient side handles included. Number 2. Allclad Stainless Steel Perforated Insert Pasta Pot. You can consider buying this pasta pot if you have a limited budget. It has a sleek design and a perforated insert that allows you to drain pasta easily without splashing down or generating a mess. You can use it without worrying about warping because it is made of heavy-duty stainless steel, while the base is made from thick aluminum. Besides, this device helps you cook pasta faster than you think. This model is simple to clean and polish. You can use this versatile product on several types of stovetops, such as glass, halogen, and gas. If you have an oven or a broiler, you should place your pot on them and boil the pasta effortlessly. Furthermore, it has a high-quality lid to seal the heat efficiently. The non-stick interior can prevent food from sticking to the sides of the pot. Key features: single-ply polished stainless steel construction and thick aluminum warp-resistant base. The perforated insert, the polished 18/10 stainless steel cooking surface deliver a limited lifetime warranty. Number 3. Viking 3-ply Stainless Steel Pasta Pot. This pasta pot is made of commercial-grade stainless steel material with an aluminum alloy core. Hence, do not worry about its durability and quality. Besides, it is equipped with a 3-ply construction to distribute heat evenly and quickly. The cooking device helps maximize heat responsiveness while cooking. Furthermore, it has a magnetic exterior to work on most cooking stovetops, even induction. You can grip the pot comfortably thanks to a stay-cool handle. What's more, you will get a pasta drainer and a steamer basket for ease of use. Besides, this device features internal volume markings followed by the USA and metric measurements. Key features: come with a pasta drainer and a steamer basket, offer standard internal volume markings, the 3-ply construction included, ergonomically designed cool touch handles. Number 4. LETTY Oval 5 Quart Pasta Pot. This pasta pot can cook all pasta, particularly spaghetti and lasagna, since it features an ingenious oval design. Therefore, this design prevents your pasta from breaking into tiny pieces. Plus, it is equipped with an aluminum construction that helps fast and even heat distribution during cooking. This model comes with a non-stick coating so that you can cook pasta effortlessly without seasoning butter and vegetable oil at first. Thus, you can clean the surface easily. You can also cook other kinds of food with this multi-purpose pot, such as vegetables and potatoes. Furthermore, this device delivers an integrated lid that twists and locks properly. Besides, the lid can help strain easier. In addition, the cool touch handles allow you to grip conveniently while cooking pasta. Key features: the aluminum construction, equipped with a twist and lock lid, the ingenious oval design, offer a non-stick interior and cool touch handles. Number 5. Gotham Steel Non-Stick Copper Surface Pasta Pot. This pasta pot is equipped with a built-in strainer to drain out the water simply and a glass lid to see your foods without removing the lid. I believe that it will make you satisfied during use. Furthermore, this device features steel titanium and ceramic coating to increase food release performance. Thus, you can clean the model quickly without any hassle. Besides, you will cook any kind of food without seasoning butter or vegetable oil. This product is space-saving and portable. Hence, it suits a small kitchen space. You also steam or fry food effortlessly with this pot. It comes with cool touch handles to resist high temperatures efficiently. Plus, you can twist and lock such handles to let the water out while your pasta will not fall out. What's more, it tends to keep the moisture in your pasta so that you can enjoy a fantastic result after cooking. Key features come with the twist and lock handles, the transparent glass lid included, equipped with the steel titanium and ceramic coating, ultimate food release performance. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.